What's going on, phone nerds? Ian here again from Mega Mobile USA, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the HTC U20 5G. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description. But real quick on the specs, we got a 6.8-inch screen, 256 gigabytes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. You can also get it in 6, but this one's 8. It's got a 48 megapixel main camera. It's dual SIM. It has a Snapdragon 765G processor and a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Now it comes in green and white as well. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Hit the like button if you would, kindly. And subscribe if you want to see some more videos. And without further ado, let's just check this out real quick. You can see on the side here, it's got the color choice, like I said, green and white. This particular one is white. And then there's also, it's just got the specs again, the Snapdragon, the full HD 1080 by 2400. It has 4K video with stabilization, a 32 megapixel portrait mode, beauty mode camera, supports SD, yada, yada, yada. If you buy it from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. This is exactly how it's going to come, okay? Take the top off. Right here you have the phone. Dump it to the side here. And as you can see here, there's a little tab with these little dots here. That signifies that it's never been touched, okay? So this is how it should come, okay? It's got this little insert here. It's trash. And you got this here as well. It looks like it's got the SIM eject tool stuck in there, and then just some docks. Nothing important at all. Looks like we got charger and USB, and then also one for headphones. Let me see if I can rip this out. So it comes with a little pair of headphones. What kind of headphones are they? They are USB-C, and then just standard headphones. This isn't anything worth writing home about. Get your own probably if you don't already have them. And then the charger, we have USB-A to USB-C, and that's the charging cable, I should say. And then the actual charger in the box is a US style plug. However, it is from overseas, so it may have a different voltage on it, in which case I provide an adapter with each purchase. Slap it on, you're all set. And that's pretty much it for the HTC U20 5G. And yeah, you can't pull this out. This out would have to be broken, so I'm not going to do that. If you guys have any other questions, leave it in the comments below. You can see here 5G, made in Taiwan. You know, happy to give you the best price possible. Just leave a comment, shoot me an email. I'll leave a link to the eBay listing in the description. And thanks again for watching, and I look forward to earning your business. Thank you.